Are you ready to embark on an unforgettable deer hunting adventure? Hey there, my adventure crew. Welcome back to Huntscribe. Today, we're diving into the top 9 best deer hunting gear that are making waves this year. Whether you're survival gear aficionado, huntastic, wilderness warrior, or outdoor equipment buff, we've got something for everyone. These top-notch gear essentials will elevate your hunting experience, from precision bows and powerful rifles to stealthy camouflage and comfortable boots. Let's dive into the world of deer hunting and discover the perfect gear to help you bag that trophy buck. Love what you see? Grab these amazing products through the links mentioned below in the description while getting the best deals. Your purchase helps us keep bringing you awesome reviews. Let's begin with the number 9 product on our list is GVDV Hunting Knife Set. The GVDV Hunting Knife Set is a comprehensive and high-quality toolkit that every hunter should have. It's a one-stop shop for all your field dressing needs. One of the things I like most about this set is the variety of tools. It includes everything you need to process your game, from skinning and gutting to sawing bones. The high-quality stainless steel blades are sharp and durable, ensuring a clean and efficient job. The ergonomic handles are comfortable to hold and provide a secure grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. The durable construction of the tools ensures that they will last for years to come. The included accessories like the saw, spreader, and gloves make the set even more convenient. The carry case keeps everything organized and easy to transport. At number 8 is Atflbox Game Hoist. The Atflbox Game Hoist is a game changer for hunters. This sturdy and reliable tool makes the task of hoisting heavy game a breeze. One of the things I love most about this hoist is its incredible lifting capacity. With a 4-to-1 lift ratio, you can easily lift over 700 pounds of game, making it perfect for handling large animals like elk or caribou. The durable construction ensures that it can withstand the rigors of outdoor use. The easy-to-use design allows you to quickly and efficiently set up the hoist. The locking mechanism keeps your game secure, and the collapsible design makes it easy to transport. Whether you're a seasoned hunter or just starting out, the Atflbox Game Hoist is a valuable tool that will make your hunting trips more efficient and enjoyable. At number 7 is ACPOTEL Rangefinder. The ACPOTEL PF2E Rangefinder is a fantastic tool for any hunter. It's accurate, fast, and easy to use. One of the things I like most about this rangefinder is its accuracy. It can measure distances up to 1,000 yards with an accuracy of plus-minus 0.5 yards. This is important for making precise shots at long distances. The fast measurement speed is also a great feature. You don't have to wait long for the rangefinder to give you a reading. This is especially important when you're hunting and need to make quick decisions. The clear and easy-to-read display is another plus. The rangefinder is also waterproof, so you can use it in any weather condition. At number 6 is Deer Hunting Attractant. The scent blender system is a fantastic tool for any deer hunter. It's easy to use, affordable, and allows you to create custom scents that will attract deer to your hunting spot. One of the things I like most about this system is its versatility. You can create a wide variety of scents, from attractants to cover scents, using fresh plant materials. This allows you to tailor your scent strategy to your specific hunting location and conditions. The patented filtration system ensures that your scent blends are smooth and consistent. The adjustable spray head allows you to control the spray pattern, making it easy to apply the scent to your desired area. The shatterproof spray bottle is durable and easy to clean. The included cleaning brush makes it easy to keep the system clean and free of debris. At number 5 is Deer Dragging Tie. The deer dragging tie is a must-have for any deer hunter. It makes the task of moving and lifting your deer much easier and less stressful. One of the things I like most about this product is its versatility. You can use it to secure your deer to a tree or to a game cart, or you can use it to tie down your hunting gear. The patented roller cam buckle makes it easy to adjust the tension, and the Multus utility handle provides a secure grip. The durable polypropylene webbing is strong and reliable, and the patented design ensures a secure fit. This product is a great investment for any hunter who wants to make their hunting trips easier and more efficient. At number 4 is Leupold VX. The Leupold VX Freedom 3-9x40 is a fantastic rifle scope that's perfect for deer hunting. It's durable, reliable, and offers excellent optical performance. One of the things I like most about this scope is its versatility. The 3.9x zoom range allows you to use it for a variety of hunting situations, from close-range shots to long-range shots. The Huntplex reticle is easy to use and provides accurate aiming. The optical quality of the VX Freedom is excellent. The lenses are clear and bright, making it easy to see your target even in low-light conditions. The durable construction ensures that the scope will withstand the rigors of hunting. The finger-click adjustments are easy to use and allow for precise adjustments to the scope. The waterproof, fog-proof, and shock-proof design ensures that the scope will perform reliably in any weather condition. The third one on our list is BOG FieldPod Hunting Rests. The BOG FieldPod Hunting Rest is a fantastic tool for any hunter. It's versatile, durable, and easy to use. One of the things I like most about this rest is its versatility. It can be adjusted to accommodate a wide range of firearms, including rifles, shotguns, and crossbows. The dual-frame construction provides excellent stability, and the adjustable height allows you to find the perfect shooting position. The lightweight design makes it easy to carry, and the compact folding design makes it easy to store and transport. The non-marring supports protect your firearm from damage. On number 2 is Barra Air Guns. The Barra Air Gun is a fantastic option for target shooting and backyard fun. It's powerful, accurate, and easy to use. One of the things I like most about this air gun is its versatility. You can use it to shoot both BBs and pellets, giving you a lot of options for different types of shooting. The 20-inch rifled barrel and adjustable sights help to ensure accuracy, while the multi-pump power system provides plenty of power for long-range shooting. The bolt-action design is fun and easy to use. It makes the airgun feel more realistic and adds to the overall experience. The sleek design and durable construction make it a great choice for both beginners and experienced shooters. Always wear eye protection when using an airgun. And as always, please be responsible and follow all local laws and regulations when using any airgun. Now moving to the last one is WT Mini Striker. The WT Mini Striker crossbow is a fun and versatile toy that's perfect for target practice and backyard fun. It's lightweight and easy to use, so even kids can enjoy it. One of the best things about the Mini Striker is its built-in crank. This makes it easy to load the crossbow, even for young kids. The crossbow is also powerful enough to shoot bolts at a high speed, making it a great way to improve your aim. The compact design makes it easy to carry and store, and the adjustable stock allows you to customize the fit. The red dot sight helps you aim accurately, and the included bolts are a great way to get started. Overall, the WT Mini Striker crossbow is a great toy for kids and adults alike. It's safe, easy to use, and a lot of fun. Always wear eye protection when using the crossbow. And as always, please be responsible and follow all local laws and regulations when using any airgun. While the Mini Striker crossbow can be used for target practice and recreational shooting, it is not powerful enough to hunt deer. Deer hunting requires a much more powerful weapon, such as a rifle or a crossbow, designed specifically for hunting. So, guys, this was the video about the top 9 best deer hunting gear. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.